Kasi ang mga bata creative. Diba? Kontakin nyo. May nakakausap sila, hindi nyo nakikita. That's how creative children are. And don't ever underestimate that ability. Why? Their imagination is even wilder than ours. Unfortunately, nawawala yung pagiging imaginative and creative nila kasi kinakamo natin sila na, uy! Dapat past tense. Dapat present tense. Hayaan mo lang siyang magkwento. Mamaya ka na mag-refine. Do you agree? Nasusundan. Okay tayo? Mother? Sure. Mananalo tayo, ha? Sige. Interest arousing. Okay, there are only two verb tenses.
Simple.
Past and present.
Past and present. 12 man na dictionary. Oh.
Yung mga libro nyo, yung inaral nyo, mali yun. Mali nyo yun. Yung future is a modality, hindi siya tense. Let me give you an example. Give me an example of a verb.
Walk. Walk.
Jump.
Jump.
5'6" din. Matatang ka din matagagiliran. Hindi ko alam bakit ako ini-invite namin dito. What's your name? You know what? I'm not just a very good writer. I can memorize numbers so easy. Yeah, let's start with yours.
Abi mga pamahagi.
Lubig ka, lubig.
Parang ako kanina mag-word ako. Sabi ko, kung mo ini-expect yung boyfriend, dati yun. Okay, susundan. Ulit, 0945. Nasusundan. Yan ang lead, ha? O, lead. Sabi dito, the lead must catch the spirit of the story and create proper tone, serious, sarcastic, ironic, flippant, or whatever. Pwede melancholic ang story. Diba? Kahit yung ulap ka lang ang i-describe yung mararamdaman mo ng lungkot na lungkot siya. My tears fall like a river as the sky cried its tears. Umulan na pala. Diba? Ganyan ang picture.
Nag-drama ko diyan.
Kaya sa tinawag na picture, showing the story, because they have a picture.
Akuan, pero maano na nila.
Alright. Leads can be often are longer than one sentence. So, pwede yun. Pero mas effective, isang sentence lang. Para yun ang mahirap basahin.
One sentence only.
Kahit isang word lang yan, ouch! Yun na natin sinasabi yan. Pag nasaktan tayo. Pero sinundan ng, parang dito yun. Tumusin mo.
Drama man ni Sir.
Ganyan naman feature story. Yung tipong sasabihin sa inyo ng ibang tao na paligid sa iyo, mapapaliw ba ito? Kasi nararamdaman niya yung binabasa niya. Okay.
Grabe.